Hey guys, Jason here taking a look at silver. It looks like I'm using a new data source. I can't seem to find the one that I was using originally, so all my levels are gone. So please keep that in mind. Things might be slightly different in this video. And we're basically going to be starting fresh with a quick review of what's happened. Today's action was highly volatile. We saw a big upper wick, so there's a quick spike and then almost an immediate sell-off. And we're still inside this range of what could be considered a daily bear flag. So a bear flag is when you have an aggressive move to one side and the rest of your action sort of fits inside a small rectangle or just a channel, and you stay inside that range until it breaks. Either you slowly dawdle your way out and you have a nice confirmed trend change, or you execute that pattern and you drop to the downside. So if we did indeed see a drop here on this potential daily bear flag, we have support at 1778, and then again nothing until way down here on the daily 16.94. And if you're going to be, well, I'm not sure what the word is for it, we do have another support level at 1686. So potential daily bear flag on gold, or sorry, on silver, and RSI is happy at 54.32, so that's not giving us a lot of direction. What I can see here in this tight range is that we had either an hourly or a 4-hour bull trend, and we are starting to see some of that weakness coming into place. So if we look at our 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've set a higher high, higher low, higher high. So the pattern is still good, and we need to see if we can stay on top of that. We do have 4-hour support at 18 psychological, and again at 1789. Looks like we came down, had a double bottom test. We'll see what that looks like on the 5-minute time frame, and getting very close to that now. If we zoom in on this, I suspect it might look a little bit head and shoulders ish, just because we see our high, higher high, lower high, which often spells trouble for bulls when they get into that sort of exhaustion point. So on the 4-hour time frame, things still currently in control. However, looking a little bit dicey for the bulls. They really need to defend 1801, 18 psychological, and they need to start doing it right away. On the hourly time frame, here's that action, 1801. We are setting a tightening equilibrium almost. Look at this. So here's our high, our low, lower high, higher low. Finally, we get a breakout over 1816, a little bit of a rocket ship action. Our RSI almost overbought on the hourly time frame, pullback from 1847. And here's another little bit of a bear flag example. And it looks like this one is executing currently with support. And the must hold level is going to be that 1801 low. Break that, then your 4-hour time frame and your hourly time frame is bearish, with the hourly supports at 1789, 1785, and 1778. So pretty cool action here on the hourly time frame, and a couple of concerns for the bulls, just because we got that daily bear flag potential. It looks like this hourly bear flag currently breaking down. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, let's take a look at what's happened. Here's that 1801 support, 1801 test, get a nice little 5-minute EQ, almost an EQ, break, bear flag, break, bear flag, and currently looking to break. So you see how all these patterns sort of tie into each other in the sense that we can have bear flags on multiple time frames at the same time. That's the magic of fractals and technical analysis. So pretty bearish currently. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If bulls can turn things around, we do have resistance at 1847 and then 1879, then way up here 1965. If we lose this 4-hour trend, we have support 1789 and 1778. A little bit way over here at 1758, and then our friends down here on the daily time frame. And overall, if you look at this weird shape, looks a little head and shoulders ish, which would be more bearish news. I don't know if that's going to happen, but we will watch these sub time frames and we will react to what does happen and just be prepared for any scenario.